A coffee maker is a kitchen appliance designed to brew coffee quickly and conveniently using methods like drip brewing, espresso, or single-serve pods. It comes in various styles and sizes, catering to coffee enthusiasts with features such as programmable settings, built-in grinders, and customizable brew strengths. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews, to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around. And if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Choosing the perfect coffee maker can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. Now, let's dive into the top coffee maker that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Curig K Mini. If you're drawn to Curig machines for their ease and simplicity, we'd steer you toward the K Mini. This tiny brewer is quaint and simply designed, easily sliding into an unused corner on your counter. Simply choose how much water you want to brew with, from 6 to 12 ounces, and press the big start button. It's cheap, easy, and comes in several fun colorways. You don't have a lot of control over how the coffee is brewed in the K Mini, and the result is often watery, weak coffee with a slight plasticky aftertaste. There are certainly tastier and more sustainable coffee brewing options, but there aren't many that are easier. Product 2. Hamilton Beach TwoWay. If you just need one quick cup before dashing out the door during the week but like to linger over a full pot on the weekends, the Hamilton Beach TwoWay is an intriguing option. One side of the machine brews up to 12 cups of coffee. The other makes a single mug full, using either an included refillable filter or disposable coffee pods. The Hamilton Beach is our favorite of the pod options, but its coffee tastes best when we use the reusable filter. We like the taste of its coffee better than any of the other pod-based brewers we've tried from Curig. It's easy to clean with so many components, many of which are dishwasher safe. Product 3. Sakura Stainless Steel. Inexpensive and simple French press coffee makers are a staple for a reason. The Sakura stainless steel takes their reputed ease a step further by producing a consistent cup of ideally brewed coffee. It makes some of the tastiest and cleanest coffee we've had from a French press. It's also one of the most insulating, keeping our coffee piping hot longer than any other option in our tests. With a 34-ounce capacity, it brews about 5.56-ounce cups of coffee. If you're looking for a simple, inexpensive brewing option that produces a consistently great-tasting dose of caffeine, the Sakura stainless steel is our favorite French press. Product 4. Breville Barista Express. If you like complex, rich espresso and smooth microfoam, the Breville Barista Express delivers on all fronts. This all-in-one machine can grind, brew, and steam. It offers both manual and preset controls that allow beginners or experienced baristas to produce cafe-level lattes. Our in-house baristas noted that the espresso from the Breville tastes evenly extracted and has undertones of sweetness. With a viscous mouthfeel, the crema is fluffy, with some larger bubbles, which we deducted some points for. We love this machine so much for its ability to curate consistently delicious shots that several members of our team have purchased it for themselves. One of the only other machines that produced slightly better espresso than the Barista Express was the La Pavoni, but it costs hundreds more for similar espresso shots that have a slightly more silky smooth crema. Product 5. Ninja 12-Cup Programmable CE251. Traditional drip coffee makers are popular for a reason. They're easy to use, and many can be programmed to have a hot pot of coffee ready the moment you need it. While a simple interface may be desirable for ease of use in the morning, some also prefer a machine with a programmable feature and a higher-end flavor. The Ninja 12-Cup Programmable gives you the best of both worlds. Members of our taste test panel loved the coffee for its balanced flavor profile that tasted delightful, with smooth but bold flavors perfectly blended together, said one of our taste testers. We also feel that the Ninja's simple interface and even extraction make for a pleasant experience and a tasty cup of coffee for a reasonable price. It brews at optimal temperatures of up to 202.5 degrees Fahrenheit in our testing for the ideal flavor extraction, and is one of the easiest brewers to use. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.